I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to review specific app permissions on your Android device. Alternatively, if you want to see what Android apps have access to specific features, I'll link to my video in the description and pinned comment that will show you how to do that. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device and then tap Apps. Step 2. Navigate to the Recently Opened Apps section and then tap See All Apps. The next screen shows you a list of all of the apps installed on your Android device. Step 3. Find the specific Android app where you want to see its permissions and then tap that app. In this example, I want to see permissions for the Google Chrome app. The next screen shows you information for that specific Android app. Step 4. Tap Permissions in this menu. You'll land on the App Permissions page where you'll see 3 sections. The first section shows you features that this app is allowed access to. The second section shows you features that this specific app isn't allowed to access. And the third section shows you features that this app doesn't use. If you see a feature where you want to change this app's permission to use, tap that specific feature. In this example, I'll tap Contacts. Now you can tap to change this app's permission to use this feature. For example, in this scenario, I'll tap to allow Google Chrome to access the Contacts app on my Android device. Your changes will be effective immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.